Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Carol, and if you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Today I'll be talking to you about this brand that is BioOrganic. I've been using their products for quite a long time. Even before they sent me their products, I was purchasing it myself and I was using their products because it is one such brand that creates organic products, like pure organic products. If you want any particular organic powder, they have all of it. Like they have pure essential oils, they have cold pressed coconut oil, they have wide range of products. They have sent me their do-it-yourself kit. You can do it yourself in the comfort of your home. You need not go to the salon, or you do not require any beautician. It's do it yourself. I think you can use it for like 3 to 4 times if you have like short hair, and if you have long hair, I think you can use it for like 2 times. I have received their hair strengthening pack. Let me show it to you. It contains these 4 products, that is a hibiscus powder, Reetha powder, Amla powder and Shikakai powder. And also you get a recipe book with it. It has all different recipes for your skin and hair and all different kinds of face mask, hair mask. You can follow the recipe book and then you can do different masks and apply it on your face or use it on your hair. Along with that, they have sent me their aloe vera gel. This is 100% pure for young and radiant skin and hair. It's non-toxic with green tea extract. This is a 400 ml container and it will come for quite a long time because it has a lot of product in it. And you can use this for your DIY. When you're making a face mask or a hair mask, you can use this. Definitely give this aloe vera gel a try because aloe vera gel has a lot of benefits. You can use it as a moisturizer, keeps your skin hydrated all the time. So do give it a try. I'll mention the link of this aloe vera gel in the description below, so do check it out as well. All BioOrganic products are totally organic. It is all natural products, 100% organic, and does not contain any toxins, no chemicals involved. So do give it a try. It's best for your skin and hair. There is no fear of getting side effects as such. But some ingredients may not work for few people. So always remember to do a patch test. If you see any kind of irritation, then stop using that product. So now I'll show you how I use this product. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also let me know in the comments below what you want to see in my next video. All the links to the products are mentioned in the description below, so do go and check it out. They have a wide range of products, so do check them out as well. I'll mention all the links in the description below. And do follow me on my Instagram at Carol__Alisha, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.